Have you ever spun around and felt so dizzy that you almost fell over? Maybe you were twirling like a ballerina or just having fun. Well, today we're going to learn how dancers can spin and not get dizzy like we do. Believe it or not, there's science involved in their special trick. Let's start with our head. Inside our heads, we have something called the vestibular system. Can you say vestibular? It's a big word. The vestibular system is like a tiny helper that tells us if we're standing up straight or if we're moving. It's what makes us feel dizzy when we spin. This doesn't just live in our heads, though. It's part of our ears, the inner part we can't see. Now, imagine a dance performance where the dancers twirl and don't wobble at all. How do they do it? Here's their secret: spotting. Spotting is a way dancers keep their heads facing one direction for as long as possible. To do this, they pick one spot to look at and keep their eyes there. Then when their body turns, they quickly turn their head to find that spot again. This trick helps them not to get dizzy because it tells their vestibular system that they're not actually spinning fast around, even though they are. But there's more. Dancers also have strong muscles and practice for a long time to be able to twirl smoothly. When they turn, they use their arms and legs to balance, just like you might hold your arms out when you're trying to walk on a line. Their bodies are trained to be a little bit like a top that spins without falling over. Here's something super cool. Scientists have looked at how dancers' brains work differently from people who don't dance. In dancers, their brains are used to the feeling of spinning. So when they spot, their brains kind of say, "No worries, we've got this. We know what's going on." This doesn't mean you have to be a dancer to teach your brain. Even when you just practice moving or playing different kinds of games, you're teaching your brain new things all the time. Isn't it amazing how people can learn how to do so many things with practice and science? Next time you feel dizzy, maybe try spotting, like a dancer, and see if it helps. And just like dancers, remember that practice and patience can help us learn anything. Well, thanks for learning with us today. Keep moving and keep discovering. Goodbye for now.